Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open and we can see that after the market opening, DXY is trying to recover again. Yes, DXY is right now standing at 105.14 again, heading towards the previous resistance zone of 105.30 to 105.50. As you can clearly see on the chart, the DXY is right now standing at the 50 moving average, the dynamic resistance here. So this will be a very important factor, because overall if we try to understand the structure of the chart of DXY, then there is no doubt that the structure is very much bearish. We can see that DXY is constantly forming lower highs. Okay, so and right now, okay, it is in a perfect spot here. But one thing that we noticed in the previous week, the market form a higher low as well. So somewhere down the line, buyers are still very much present on the chart of DXY, those who do not want to surrender that easily. And if we look at the news of euro dollar, then we can see that Asian shares fall, dollar firms ahead of central bank rate hikes. Yes, it's all about CPI and the Fed's meeting this week. So as a result, I think that there will not be any sharp trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD or any other USD pair, because all eyes are on CPI and the Fed's meeting. So as a result, I think more or less market will remain slow and it will not show any sharp trend reversal. Okay, it will be respecting the levels, because more or less we see a calmness, okay, before the storm. Okay, so I think that market will remain silent at least tomorrow. Let's wait and watch. Okay, but at least the XY will have to cross this particular level here, then only we will get the confirmation that yes, bulls are back again. And once DXY crosses 105.50, it will be heading towards the next resistance of 107. Now let's talk about Euro USD, and as we can see that Euro USD is right now almost standing, okay, almost it has come to the support zone. In a previous video we have discussed extensively about the possible formation of the wedge pattern here, and usually wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern, but for a breakout or a breakdown we need volume. And as we can see that there is not much volume in the market right now, being a typical Monday market. Okay, because especially during the first half of Monday we do not get to see much liquidity or volatility. So in this situation, okay, in this situation there's a good chance that market will take support and bounce from the available support right now around the trend line, or around 1.0500 to 1.0480. This is the support zone on the chart of Euro USD right now. If the volatility of the market remains like this, yes, volatility or volume will play a big role. If market bounces after a couple of hours, if you see market taking support and bouncing, you can definitely go for a buy position. If not a very big buy position, at least you can expect 30-40 pips. On the other hand, for additional confirmation, you can also look at the chart of DXY. For example, if DXY is going up, if you say DXY is heading, after breaking the 50 moving average, heading towards the resistance of 105.50, obviously you should not take a sell here. Sorry, you should not take a buy here. It means that observe the movement of DXY. If DXY is going up, then try to take a sell on Euro USD, or if DXY is falling, try to take a buy on the chart of Euro USD. That is the basic funda here. So if Euro USD bounces after a few hours from the support zone here, you can definitely go for a buy position. For additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. On the other hand, in case during the European session, if you see sellers are trying to take the market down, in that case obviously you should be avoiding sell or buy position here, and try to avoid sell position as well. After all, what is the trend of Euro USD right now? The trend is very much towards the upside, so there's a good chance that once you take a sell position, your stop loss will be hunted. Okay, there will be some stop loss hunting and market may go up again. To save yourself from traps like this, okay, what you can do is, okay, If the trend of the market is towards the upside, try to look for buy positions only. That is a simple theory you can follow. So if market breaks also, do not take sell position. Wait for the market to come down to the next support around 1.0400, 1.0430. Why we're considering this level? I have already shown in my previous video, so I do not want to go in detail and bore you again. Okay. So these two are the support right now. This will work if the volatility market remains. So after all, we have a possible trend reversal pattern on the chart of Euro USD. And on the other hand, if market goes up, then the resistance level that we have discussed in our previous videos are still very much intact. That is 1.0600 to 1.0630. This is the resistance on the chart of Euro USD right now. For a detailed analysis, my dear friend, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because here I have not repeated the same thing, because the repeated viewers, okay, they will be bored. So please don't mind, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Hopefully you got my point. Observe the market and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.